Hey YouTube, Mark here. Today I'm going to continue working on the kettle chair. What I want to do today is it's actually pretty simple. I'm just going to rough up around the outside and get it prepped for paint. I might even go over a few of the final touching details, the cushion, and what I want to do around the edge here. I don't want that hard to put your arms on. I want something kind of padded, and I got an idea for that. So yeah, I'm going to go into basically finalizing everything. All right, first thing I want to do is I want to take the legs off. All washed up. So now once that dries, I can start thinking of what I want to do for colors. I could keep it black, make it look like a standard Kettle Weber grill, but I think I might want to do a little something different. Webers do come in other colors other than black. So maybe like a blue or a red. I think that would look pretty cool. But like I said, for now I just gotta let it dry. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. As you can see, I found a few items to help finish off the chair. Got this pillow, and as I was sitting eating my lunch, I just folded the corners and tacked them down. So I'm not a super sewer or anything like that. I used a high strength thread, and I actually doubled it up pretty good, so I think it's going to hold on there pretty well. So that's going to be the pad for inside the chair. Where I made the cut around the kettle, I wanted a way to make that a nice even line. I want it nice. I want it looking nice. I don't want that cut line to show. So I bought automotive door trim. Basically, I'll just push this onto the grill and it will give me a nice solid line, and I won't have to worry about you know, the edge of it looking like crap or anything like that. Some foam pipe covers. This is basically an insulation for like water lines and stuff like that. And I did already open the bag up. So basically what we'll do is I'll just push this over the edge and it will curve around. And yeah, I think that'll do pretty good. I don't know if one of these is going to be enough to go around that whole edge. I doubt it. But I think it should work pretty well. But again, I don't want the foam showing. You know, that kind of looks stupid. So I bought some vinyl to wrap around that to give it a better finished look. And then finally, I know you're wanting to know what colors. Well, here's my colors. The black is for the inside of the kettle. I want that to stay black. I think it'll look better that way. But then I picked up blue and red. I just don't know which color I want to go with. Right now I'm thinking more blue than anything. So we'll see what I decide at the end of it, okay? It's too cold to go outside and spray paint anything, and that's actually my next step. You know, I can't do any of those finishing touches until I get the chair actually painted. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a fan in here, lay down a couple of bed sheets that are just old ratty bed sheets, and I'll do the painting in here. I don't think my wife would get too upset about that. Yeah, right. But yeah, we got like an old Scooby-Doo bed sheet laying around somewhere. I'll just go grab that and I'll make myself a little paint booth. Kind of looks like a hat, doesn't it? I just want to show that I do have a fan going. Even though I'm working inside, I want to keep a fan going. So yeah, let's get the first coat of paint put on. Okay, so that's the first coat done. I'm going to wait probably a half hour, maybe even up to an hour, just to let this dry, and then I'll spray it again. I'll probably do 3 coats total. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes since that first coat, so I'm getting ready to put on my second. The directions on the can actually say to do it within an hour from the last coat. And if you go past that, then they suggest that it dries completely for 24 hours before you apply your second coat. So I'm going to wait my 1 hour or less than 1 hour. Like I said, it's been about maybe 20-30 minutes. Now I'm going to put on my second coat. Okay, it's been about another 30 minutes or so, so I'm going to do my last coat on the inside of the seat. Kettle seat. I gotta think of a name for this thing. Kettle seat, grill seat, kettle chair, grill chair. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah. Last coat of internal black. Alright, that's the last coat of my internal black. And now I'm just going to have to let that dry. I can't touch it for 24 hours. I want it to completely harden up. So about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, I can finally do something with it. Okay, so it's about 7 o'clock at night, and I'm going to actually start working on the outside. And my son's girlfriend, actually fiance, I think I can say that on the channel now.
Yep.
Okay. I can actually admit that they're engaged now. But I had her choose the color for me because I couldn't decide between the blue and the red, and she chose blue. So let's start painting. Okay, first coat's done. I'm going to wait about 30 minutes before I apply the next one. Okay, so it's been probably close to half an hour. I think it's good enough. I'm going to put on the second coat now. And I'm killing everybody in the house with the fumes. Alright, that's coat number 2. Okay, third coat. Okay, so that's all 3 coats now on the kettle seat, and I just gotta wait for it to dry. Again, it's going to be at least 24 hours. It's already 7:30 at night. I'm just going to have to let it sit for an entire day. I won't be able to do anything for a couple days, so I think I'm going to end the video here, and I'll just finish it all on another day. So this is Mark saying thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the road. Whew. Getting high from the paint fumes.